Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes B Class here on a 2007-2008 plate. Just replacing the main dip bulb on this one, the driver side front one, which is quite an easy one. But the passenger side isn't as difficult because you can remove the washer fluid bottle as well. But I'm going to show you now which one it is, definitely. So if I switch the ignition on, switch the lights on, as you can see the one on the passenger side is working. But the one on the driver's side, it isn't working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace that bulb. It is quite a simple procedure. You need a couple of things. Basically, you need a mirror. So if you've got a mirror, which is brilliant. So if you slide the mirror in, you've got this cover right here. So you've got the little clip on the top. So what you need to do is push the clip down and then take the cover off. Once you take the cover off, so what you want to do now is, that's the bulb we're replacing. So it's a H7 bulb, which is right there. You can see a spring, and the way the bulb is sitting, the pin locator on the H7 bulb, you'll have a locator on it, so which is facing that way. I'm just going to remove the plug 1 second. So if I just get my hands in there. Right, now the plug is removed. You can see, 1 second, in the mirror is always reversed, so it's a bit hard. So if I push that in a little bit more. Right, that's out of the way now. So you can see the ball pin locator, which is facing this way. So if I get the spring, push the spring in and then towards my left. There we go. Right, now that the spring is out, as you can see now, so the springs comes out. So if you push down and then towards this way here, towards the engine, and then pull it out. So I'll get the bulb out now. Now that's the bulb. It's a H7 bulb. This is the locator I was talking about. So the bulb needs to fit in like this, basically. So I'm just going to get a new one. Right, now mirror. So what I'm going to now do is I'm going to slot this in. So it has to go in like this. So if I slot it through the hole, locate the hole. Once I've located the hole, I then slot the bulb in. Now I've got the bulb in, as you can see now. That pin locator right there, it needs to go up a little bit, so it's still not in an angle. As you can see, it has to go in between the little clips that's sticking out. So if I just take it back out again, and then slot the bulb in again. Now you can see that's still not correct. So which direction am I going? So it's on the top, I need to come down. Now you can see the bulb is sitting in perfect. So what I do now is bring the spring down, and then that's it. Okay, you can see now the spring is in nicely. So that's all it was. But where I'm looking in the mirror is the opposite. So everything is the opposite. So I'm just going to get the plug back out and then plug it in. And I'm just going to check, see if it's working. That's it. The plug is in now. And I'm going to just put this cover on as well. This cover's quite easy. So those are the pin locators right there. So if I slide it through first, I'm going too far in. That's it, it's clipped. So you can see now it's nicely clipped in. We're just going to check the lights. Make sure the lights are working. Switch the ignition on, lights on. As you can see now, that one's working, that one's working as well. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. Everything is reversed in the mirror, so it's the opposite. So whatever you're doing, just try to work with your fingers and stuff like that. I just had the mirror there for a reason, so you can see what I'm sort of removing and putting back on. But if there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you, and goodbye.